Hi guys, this is DesignerBrickStudios and I made a Lego Technic puzzle box. Yeah, here's a 360 view of this. So first off, you see this panel, it's all locked. Even this here, you can't pull it out. So connect to the back, pull out your first key and then insert it like on here. As you see this thing pops up, so you can open this and lock, and you get a second key. And next, take this, inserting at this gray color thing, and this thing is locked. Can't push it in. Put it in, then you can push it. And you could shake off your next key. And then, lastly, take this black rod and insert it in this hole. But you can't push it. You just can't push it. Can't push it in all the way. So, to go to the top, push this up like that. And then, take this, insert it in, and pull out this thing. It back, and you'll be able to push this, and you'll get this cool Lego piece. It's kind of cool, see? And to put these back on, just put that back, check out, and then open this. And to put this is the most trickiest part. Take out this blue piece. This. See all the mechanisms. Gray thing. This. And you need to put it in there so it will lock the door. Okay, now it's done. Then you have to put it back to the original place. So that's all. And this is my Lego puzzle box, Lego Technic. And bye.